Okay, in Windows 10, you had things called administrative tools, and they were in your control panel. But when you clicked on them, they opened up a separate window, and here's the listing of all the ones that are there. A lot of the little utilities that haven't been converted over to a Windows 10 type of interface. A lot of them utilities you can still use today, like Regedit and a few others, but some of them are very obscure, older versions of utilities. So in Windows 11, they decided to package them and put them into something called Windows Tools. So go to your search, type in Windows Tools or just Tools, and as you saw with Windows 10, you'll see basically the same stuff all together in one place so you can use some of them. Some of them aren't used anymore. Some of them are. But you can access those quirky little programs that you used to find in administrative tools. And you can go ahead and open these up by double clicking on them. Like, for example, I'm only going to do a couple, but here's the control panel. And you can see that there, which some of the features are still there. A couple other things in here, registry, like I said, the run command. Another one is the old system configuration. Come down here, and you can run stuff here. Although, if you do things like startup, you'll see that it still takes you back to the new task manager. So it appears to be these things are the home for things that are still in transition, maybe done later. But there's Windows Tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you want some more, please subscribe to the Old Guy Geek and click on the bell to get notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook or Twitter. The links are in the description of the video.